Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, 7 June, 12:36 p.m. and here we are looking at Bank Nifty, the 5 minutes time frame, and we have already taken a position on the upside around this price 44,167. And if you look at the current price now, it's around 44,208, and we are expecting the price to break this level, that is 324. And we're expecting a very good up move today. We have still 3 hours left in a trading session, and tomorrow is expiry. So we are expecting the move today itself for Bank Nifty. So if you look at the move, today's move, impulsive and reactive moves, and most of the traders have shorted around here. They've again shorted around here, right? And if you take a look at the moving average, most of the traders who trades into Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is moving average, and if you look at the moving average is falling, and there are few engulfing patterns due to which they took their positions. Now we are expecting all the positions that are being taken by the traders, the retail traders, on the short side, all the stop losses are going to hit as soon as the price is going to cross 44,245 level, 245 till 249. If the price touches or crosses above this particular level, then we're going to see a good up move. So currently there is a good up move, but as you can see over here, there are sticks that are being created, which means there are some sort of selling pressures around this area because they have shorted from these positions. But once this particular level 44,245 is going to break, you're going to see smooth big green candles from this particular position, and this is going to continue, and we're expecting this to continue today itself. Okay, so I've taken one position over here, but we have not taken the position in Bank Nifty. We have done option buying. Nifty premiums were very low, and there is a different concept altogether why we have taken entry on Nifty by looking at the Bank Nifty chart. That's a different topic. We're going to discuss it later. But for now, I want you to understand that all the stop losses from the sellers are going to be hit. The traders who shorted around this position, right? Around this position, and who shorted around this position, all the stop losses are going to hit, and we're going to see a good up move. Ideally, we should have taken our positions around 44,257 above this particular price, but we decided to take our positions over here since we have gotten a good entry around this point. Okay. Most of the traders are already trapped around this particular point. This is the trap point 1, and we have different trap points over here, and ideally we can see there should be good up move today on Bank Nifty and also Nifty. Let's look at the Nifty chart today. This is how the Nifty chart looks. So when Bank Nifty was around at this particular level, around 1210, we took a position Nifty, maybe around this point. When we got a pin bar on the downside, we took a position over here. We took the 18,600, sorry, 18,700 C at around 26 or 27 rupees around this point. So at least we are expecting the premium to at least get double today. Let's see. I'll be uploading the video soon. Thank you. The current premium of Nifty is around at 44 to 45 rupees. We took the position around at 226. We have exited 25% or 30% of our positions. and we have made around 50 to 60% of the profit. So this is the trap point number 3. So if we do not cross this particular level, again we are going to see a down move. But our prediction, or after a lot of analysis, the price should move up. Currently the time is 12:50 p.m. and still we have 1 hour or 2 hours to the market end. So we might not be able to see any good move as of now. Maybe we have to wait for some time, and again we are going to see a good up move again from this particular point. That is the reason we exited 30 to 40% of our positions. Okay, so we have taken a trade on Nifty today by looking at the Bank Nifty chart. So there is a different reason why we have done that. But as you can see over here, we took the positions around this particular point, and currently we saw a good move of 30 to 40 points, and our OTM, that is 18,700 C, we got around 40 to 50% of the profit. Okay, actually more than that, we got around 54% of our deployed capital. So we are expecting the price to move up further, but the problem is now it's 12:52 p.m., right? So we still have 1.5 hour, 2 hours for the market to end. Ideally, we see a good up move, or the good moves come after 2 p.m., when the traders or any institutions, mostly they prefer to buy after 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So we're going to wait if the price holds around this particular level. Once the price cross 44,040, 44,240 levels, again we're going to take a position over here.